Guten Morgen. Welcome to another day in paradise. Today I'm riding and reviewing my Jetski, or whatever you want to call it. It's a Yamaha Waverunner 2017. Not that many hours. It's a pretty basic Jetski or PVC or whatever you want to call it. So kind of a cheap and fun and reliable beginner's jet ski. Damn, they're riding water ski. This water is looking really freaking crisp. Kind of wavy. It's a nice day for some jet skiing. It truly is. Just need to get her up to temp a bit. It's a bit annoying with this thing when you're docking. A lot nicer with what do you call it on Cedos? I think it's IBR, you know, keeps the ski still, like in the same spot. 87 hours. God damn, bro. Got a nice set of handles for the passengers, like a step here to fall down if you fall off. Got this storing place for all your phones, etc. And then you have here a storing unit as well. Not too big, barely fits one what do you call it? Yeah, you see what it is. Excuse my English, not very good, you know. And then we got under the seat. I'm gonna show you here in a second. A little bit of storing as well.
7 hours later.
Yeah, pretty fun, you see. Fuck, I'm kinda ending those slides a bit too early. You know, I'm a complete beginner at this. I recently turned around my sponsons, or whatever you call it. Damn, bro.